So we finally got the snowmobiles out for a trip. Not much snow, but enough to actually like ride and keep the snowmobiles cold. I had a carb boot leaking, so I had a very lean cylinder here. And then my middle cylinder is running really lean. But yeah, everything seems to be working. Say hi, Clint. What? Bad news. Yeah, also when your handlebars break on you and you pull them really hard, you tighten the throttle cable and it throttles. So I highly promote wearing a tether. That was awesome. I was having a great day. And then I got...
He wasn't having a great day, actually.
I have been. It's not been a good day riding, but like I'm having fun. Hit something, the handlebars came off. It went watt because I was pulling that throttle cable all the way back. And then I fell off and then got sucked back into the track. So my right shoulder that I'm holding this phone with is probably not going to work when I get home.
Old bones therapy.
Why would you sponsor me? It's real fucked up. That broke. All right, I'll go give him a pull. Okay, so that sucked. He only lost most of his snowpack. I, on the other hand, had no cooling issues. I probably have like, no shit, a foot of snow right there on the hood. Completely caked up.
Double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon, hella ass.
I'm cold. I just got blasted for like 5 miles. It's been a day. But that worked great. Now we can finally load the fucking trucks. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. So a little parking lot discovery is I've got a bunch of track marks on myself now. And a little hole I'm gonna ask my wife really nicely to repair. Well, we're loaded. That sucked. It was a little sketchy. Gonna get a burger, a beer. Figure out how to unload this without steering. Oh, look at that. Them handlebars, they're so cute. They're just leaned over, they're curious. Fuck. China. Okay, we've got it off the truck. Here is the post. Completely sheared right at the weld. I'm gonna go ahead and just set it back on top. And then I rolled out the old forney. That'll do. So this is the broken post. The brake is right along the has, right at the top toe of that weld, and you can see a couple of the tacks I did just to help get it pulled up into the shop. I cut the top off with a porta-band, so this is just... Here is the piece that I think I'm going to replace it with. This is just a sleeve collar. It's going to go over the top of the existing post and be welded all the way around at the base. And then this will come up all the way through the top and get the top weld as well. Just so I'm kind of matching the same engineering. But on this one, kind of similar to how they do them on the Viper, I'm going to gusset this edge here, just so it doesn't break this year. I'll probably end up pulling the whole thing apart this summer and replacing it with the Viper updated post. But to do that, I have to take the entire motor out. So right now I'm looking for a short-term solution so I can kind of get back onto the snow. I'll be going over more of this repair in future videos, really getting into cleaning this up, CNCing this, I don't know. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.